dance, and food. Yep. And for this video, I will be talking about our determination and to be honest to ourselves. Magpakatotoo ka po. Magpakatotoo po tayo, aminin sa sarili na hindi natin nababantayan yung ating pagkain or diet. So when we were 20 or 30, okay lang eh. If you indulge ka sa ice cream, indulge ka sa cake, kahit anong gusto kainin mo, okay, you can do that. But as we grow ng age, okay, tumatagal na tayo dito sa earth, we're spending more time on earth, then we need to really look on our diet. So it's easy to say, but harder to do. We're used to the tasty food. What are the tasty food? Salty and sweets. Hello, mega love shout out the guitar professionals, Gavin, always telling me to lessen my sweet intake. He knows I like cakes, and lessen also the salty foods that I eat, like chips, peanuts, crispy and crunchy. Gusto natin ng mga salty, di ba? So kung talagang seryoso po tayo dito sa ating gagawing to stay healthy, so hindi po ginagawa natin to dahil lagi natin gusto maging magandang katawan, lumiit ang tiyan. That is already pangalawa or secondary reason why we want to become fit, healthy and well. Physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, gusto natin maging well tayo. Pangalawa lang na reason po yon. Ang talagang first reason natin is to be healthy. Kaya uunahin po natin muna na let us stay healthy. Let us stay healthy and dito ba ako susunod? Medyo mabagal tong sasakyan. Let us stay healthy always and know that meron kang more confidence sa sarili mo if you are in the right shape. So we can only do that if we combine diet and workout or exercise. Okay, walang dahilan, no excuses. Okay, no more excuses. No more excuses for us. Marami tayong excuses. Ay, ang init. Ang weather. The weather is bad. It's raining. It's very hot. I cannot work out. No more excuses. Anumang weather yan, gawin mo. Number 2 excuse. I don't have the money to go to the gym. It's very expensive to work out. It's very expensive to do diet. No. That's a wrong mindset. Mali po yun. Hindi kailangan na marami kang pera para makaganda ang katawan mo. Hindi kailangan ng gym kung wala talaga. Although, preferably, it's nice to be in the gym so that meron kang expert advice from the wellness coach or the physical instructor or the gym instructor na magtuturo sa'yo kung anong dapat gawin, and you have a program to follow. Pero hindi po yun magiging dahilan sa atin. It's an excuse. So kung wala kang pambili ng pambayad ng gym membership, pwede yan, maglakad-lakad ka na lang around the block. Yung mga trabaho sa bahay, very good po yun. So singing while cleaning the bathroom, while kuskusin mo yan. Linisin mo yung paligid, mag-gardening ka, magluto, mag-jogging, mag-walking. Ang dami pwedeng gawin na nakakapag-exercise, nakaka-burn ng calorie. So i-combine natin yung ginagawa nating household chores with bending. It's very important. Or kung wala kang pambili ng dumbbell, you can use ano yung gagamitin natin? Mineral water bottle na puno ng tubig, 1.5 Coke, para lang may binubuhat ka, so that yung muscle mo ay nagagamit pa rin habang ikaw ay nagamit pa rin ang muscle mo habang ikaw ay nag-exercise. Okay, so dapat po kasi ma-enjoy natin. So, enjoy lang. Kaya nga sabi ko, sa akin hindi rin po madali, pero dahil may pangako ako sa inyo at ako yung nagsishare ng ganito, so dapat mag-umpisa sa akin yung disiplina. Nakakahiya naman po kung ako po mismo yung walang disiplina sa pagkain. Medyo ang kalaban ko ngayon is the metabolism, na bumabagal po ang panunaw natin pag tayo ay bumabata. Nagiging teenager na katulad ko, okay? So, pero wag nating isipin yon. It's all in the mind. Always think that we can do it and everything is possible. Mind over matter. Kaya naka-encourage din ako sa inyo kasi andyan kayo sumusuporta sa ating mga vlogs. You are supporting yung mga exercise natin, mga gym, mga workout natin, yung mga live natin na nag-exercise ako. Thank you very much, and shout outs to all of you that are my gym buddies, okay? Those who are joining me habang ako ay nag-exercise, like the Bud Files, Guitar Professionals, Gina Tocayo, Gina Shoko, of course. Thank you Gina. Gina Tocayo is also now in the weight loss journey like me. We are completing the weight loss journey, so I encourage you, sister Tocayo, Gina Shoko, keep it up. Also, thank you, Des Lorica. Lagi pong nandiyan si Des Lorica, always supporting us. Shout out also to Adi Sukardi. Si Adi Sukardi from Indonesia. Indonesia or Malaysia? Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia. So, from Malaysia or Indonesia, bahala na. Whatever. Indonesia or Malaysia. Thank you for all your support, Adi Sukardi. Thank you very much. Remember to shout out Kuya Jay. Okay, lahat po ng mga you are also health buff like me. You want to stay healthy and you want to become healthy like me, like us. It's our goal. Yep. Not only to live longer, hindi kailangan mabuhay ng mahaba, pero nakaratay ka naman sa banig ng karamdaman. 5 taon ka na sa banig ng karamdaman. Mas gusto po natin yung tumatanda tayo, pero tayo po ay nakakagalaw, may nakakakain, healthy, nakakausap, hindi comatose, okay, hindi paralyzed. So yun po ang first and foremost consideration natin. Ba't natin ginagawa ito? Ay dahil gusto natin, hindi selfishly, mind you ha, let us be reminded, hindi po ito because makasarili tayo. Actually, ginagawa po natin to para sa pamilya natin. Gusto natin na mas matagal pa ang buhay natin sa earth, para mapaglingkuran natin yung mga anak natin, family natin, friends natin, sa trabaho natin, di ba? May mission pa tayo sa profession natin. If you are a teacher, marami pa tayong tuturuan na mga bata. Marami pa tayong tuturuan na mga bata. If you are administrator, marami ka pang school na ayusin. So, may purpose pa kung bakit gusto nating maging healthy. So, number 1, sabi ko nga, always be mindful on the foods that you are eating. Okay, kung ano yung masarap, iwasan. Salty and sweet. We are used to the very tasty food. So sometimes you don't need tasty food. Hindi natin kailangan masyadong malalasa ang pagkain natin. Actually, mas maganda nga bland or matabang yung food natin, so that kukain lang tayo ng portion. So even sa pagkain, wag pa bigla-bigla na maramihan. We can do it small portion at a time. Okay? Small portion lang po ang gagawin natin at a time. So maraming salamat. Let's watch each other's video, mga kaibigan, gym buddies, those who are interested in wellness and fitness. Check natin yung mga foods na kinakain natin, and then okay, once in a while, maybe every month, check natin kung nadagdagan o nabawasan yung ating weight. Okay, for more videos ng ating wellness, dance, and food, and exercise and workout, subscribe to our channel. See you on my next vlog. Ayan, may traffic. So, another, disclaimer. I am not holding my cell phone, so I am practically just talking and focusing on my driving. Bye! See you next time! Vlog! Bye-bye!